Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Perry Trade, and if this is your first time, it might be best to watch the last couple of videos leading up to this video, and so you can understand better what is it that I'm doing on this video. So basically, what I do is I have strategies that I test in market replay, and if I'm satisfied with the results, I'll go ahead and test it in the live market, where I post the results and do some analysis where you as the viewers can gain some insight into my trading strategy. So in today's video, this is day three of me testing this strategy in the live market. So before you are 4 charts. I understand they're all blank, they don't have results and stuff. That's fine, because I went ahead and prematurely disable the strategy, and as a result the profit and loss are deleted. But that's fine. I had already posted my results on Discord, which I'm going to show you now. Let me go into my Discord. Actually, let me see if I can, let me get the chart up. So all right, so here are the results right here. So you can see the 4 charts. You can see for the 3rd day in a row, the strategy did profit. You can see here, so on the right side, I have a 15-minute candlestick chart, and then bottom here, I have a 15-minute Hakinashi. So I just wanted to see the difference. So both are running the same exact strategy. This is 8 tick take profit with the stop loss is the ATR 2.5 with a 14 period. So you can see here, I believe, if I can see through between the text, 450 and then 450 here. And then on the left side right here, I did something different here. I wanted to include a runner, but instead of a runner, what I did was, instead of 8 tick take profit, I used 0.5 ATR for the profit target. And then on the bottom chart here, I use a one multiplier ATR for the take profit. The same stop loss is the ATR. So just to see if I can take advantage of those long runs, so I use those ATR multiplier to see. So the only thing I don't have is the I wish I had taken a snippet. Well, first, I wish I'd never disabled the strategy, so I can go ahead and show you the trade performance and look at the trades and see how many trades each of these charts took. But I don't have that. So that's I wish I had never disabled it before I did the video. But anyways, I'm showing the snippet here. What I am going to do right now, this is live market. This is trading on the live market today up until 4 p.m. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test. Well, actually, I forgot one more thing. So what happened this morning when I went ahead and loaded my charts, I had connection issues. And so I could not trade the morning session. So I had my time filter set for 9:30 to 11:30. So there was no trade taken, not no trade by choice, right? I could not take any trade because of connectivity issues. So I got the chart working, and then I went ahead and had it trading on my second time filter from 1 to 4 p.m. So the profit that you see here is only for the afternoon session from 1 to 4 p.m. So I missed out on the morning session. So this is only for half of the day here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and load up the market replay for today, okay, up until 4 p.m. because the market's still, I believe, the market closed at 4:30, but there's some after session trading that still continues. But what I'm going to do is download the market replay for today, and just go ahead and run the same strategy, the same exact strategy that I'm showing you here, and see what my results would be. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to go ahead and post those results after it is completed. So again, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Please again remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.